I don't know how to rip my eyelashes off. Oh. Oh, that's weird. How's it going, my dude bros? Oh, there's dirt on my thing. This week has been a write-off. I got pretty sick and I worked a bunch and then my car got stolen, so it's been pretty stressful and weird, and I didn't have time to make anything. So luckily I have some behind the scenes footage from the photo shoot I did back in August, the one that I made the horns for. The next clip you're gonna see is me doing the intro. It's gonna look really weird because I didn't have eyebrows in August, so say goodbye to these bushy puppies. This me will see you again at the end of the video, but anyway, I hope you like it. Here we go. What's up? But I did it for the fashion. I did it because today is the day that we're doing the crazy tiefling makeup, which I made the horns for, so go check out that video. I am really excited. I'm going to be going over to Christie's very soon and we're going to start doing makeup and I will show you a bunch of behind the scenes stuff. It's gonna be sweet. I'm here with Christie. Hey, what's up? I'm Christie. Oh yeah, she's amazing. I'm gonna put her link in the description so you can go find all of her shit, and we're gonna turn this strange potato into something really cool. It's gonna be awesome. I gotta see if I have one. I'm not 100% sure what's on my face. Is it foundation and cover up? Yeah, it's just foundation and concealer so far. Foundation and concealer, so I am now a blank canvas potato. Alright, here is an update. We got some purple going on. You're doing such a great job. She's amazing. You're amazing. Oh, you're amazing. You're amazing. I'm getting runes put on me right now. This one was clairvoyance, independence, magic, secrets. I know, you said there was a lot. There was a lot of them. This one means trickster. Yes, this one right now. It's whatever you want.
It was under trickster. Fuck it. That's good enough.
It's all made up, so it's whatever you want.
Sorry if you have to bleep that.
No, you're fucking fine. Fuck. Update time. We got Carrie doing hair. You're so good at this. Thanks, man. You're welcome. When the horns don't fit in the car. Okay, it's really dark, so I'm using the light from the car, but we're done, finally! Oh, hey. Oh, God, okay. I look like Wonder Woman if I only show this part.
You are a woman.
Yeah, done. Wonder Woman confirmed. Secret identity, it's here. It ended up being really fun. We went all the way till the dark, and lots of mosquitoes, but I think we got the shot, so it's gonna be awesome!
Oh my god, we've got so many shots. They're all so good. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Make sure to subscribe to her.
Oh,
Show her all the love. And also me, because
you.
I deserve it too, okay?
yes, okay. I'm gonna put all the info. I'm gonna put the photographer, the hairstylist, the makeup artist, all in the description so you can go find them. Christy said I could just rip this off, so let's just do that. Oh. Anyways, I hope that you liked watching that. I know it's not quite like what I usually do. It was still really fun, and I got to wear the horns that I made, and I got to be a model for a day, which is definitely not what I usually do. I'm really grateful that Christy invited me to be part of the project. I actually went to high school with Christy, so it's really cool. I'm really proud of her. Like, I'm so proud of her for what she did this year. She's been doing the 30 Days of Halloween for like 5 years now, but this is the first year where she was like, no, I want like a photographer, I want a model, I want a stylist, I want every shoot to be like a whole thing. She's been working on it since like April, and damn, like they are so cool, hella cool. I am so proud of you, girl. If you see this, I'm so proud of you, and you did such a good job, and I can't wait to see what you do next year or what you do for the rest of the year. But seriously, take a fucking break because you've been working nonstop and you deserve it. Anyway, I hope you liked that. And yeah, it's kind of different than what I usually do, but this is what I could do this week. So if you liked that, please, leave a thumbs up. If you want to make sure you see the next videos, hit subscribe and the notification bell, even though it doesn't work. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.